Guys, what's up? It's your girl Danielle, and this weekend I wanted to do a weekend in my life vlog because this is my last weekend ever as a freshman in college. Whoa! I'm so excited because this video is sponsored by Carob, where you basically kind of like take a quiz to see what multivitamins you need. So I'm pretty pumped about that, but we'll talk about that later. This weekend is going to be completely random. There's gonna be times I'm gonna be doing fun stuff. There's gonna be times I'm gonna be sitting and studying for hours. So it's kind of all over the place. So today is Friday. It's about 12 o'clock. I'm headed over to Franklin House Cafe in downtown Athens. I'm meeting my friend Delaney, and we're gonna get some coffee, hang a little bit, but mainly get some work done. I have editing, and I want to start studying for finals, and I have an essay to write, all that fun stuff. So we're just gonna do that, just have a little productive time, because we always go to Tate Student Center on campus, and we just wanted to do something a little bit more bougie, if you will. Not really, it's like a chill coffee shop, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm in a really good mood. I feel like it's gonna be a nice, good weekend. Tonight I might go watch the sunset with some friends, so we'll see. This is my coffee shop outfit of the day. I'm wearing this white top from Forever 21. It's just like a long sleeve. This necklace is from @MadeByLexi on Instagram. These pants, I believe, are from Shein. They're just so comfortable, like, that's all I gotta say. And of course, my Vince slip-ons. It's like 6 o'clock now. I'm about to head over to O House Dining Hall and get dinner with Delaney and Emmy, and then we're going to watch the sunset at this place called Iron Horse. I've been wanting to do it literally all year. It's a place that's like 30 minutes away, but it's like this big field, and there's like this Iron Horse, and you just like watch the sunset. It's something we wanted to do before we end our freshman year. So we're headed to the Iron Horse, which is basically a sculpture that was on UJ's campus, and then they relocated it, and it's like in this beautiful field, and apparently it's like this place to go to watch the sunset. So what are we gonna do? Watch the sunset. Yes, we're gonna have to get there so fast because, okay, play some happy fun music. Danielle editing this video. We love you so much. You're so cute. Tell me what my clothes, seeing what I want to keep, what I want to take home. Dorm life, man. They're going through my old clothes. This is so cute. Yay.
Stop it. Yes! I already said I wanted a jean skirt.
Yay, I'm so glad. This makes me happy.
Oh my God, that's my baby.
You divine.
Oh, I missed it.
It's getting emptier. They're going through more clothes. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning at 9:45 a.m. It was a little hard to get up this morning because we stayed up pretty late last night packing and hanging out in the dorms. I'm headed now. It's supposed to be really sad. I'm headed now to my lash lady, but not to get my lashes filled, to get them taken out. And I'm really, really, really sad about it. I'm gonna try and get my lashes a break. This is not a goodbye, it's a see you later, because I love my lash extensions. But I don't know, I've just been missing rubbing my eyes and stuff. So we're gonna get them taken out. She said it only takes like 30 minutes. Get them removed, and then I actually ordered Babe Lash and I had it sent to my house in Florida. So it's like a lash boost like serum, so I'm gonna put that on my lashes every night. Goodbye long lashes. I feel like I'm about to be really sad. Guys, I look so different. Oh my god, like my eyes look different. My eyes are a new shape now. Guys, I'm really starting to like the no lashes. Not necessarily how it looks. I mean, all my friends are like, wow, you look so like fresh. And I'm like, I don't know what that means. But like literally like washing your face in the shower has never been cooler and better. Like literally I could just like usually when I wash my face with lash extensions, you have to like be careful and go like that. Like, wow, like I'm gonna have to clean out my cupboard. So might as well make some pasta for lunch. This is my favorite type, fusilli. Alright, so I just finished my makeup and I'm feeling a lot better about my lashes. I feel good. It's still a little weird, but I think they look okay. But I wanted to finally sit down and talk to you guys about Carob, which is something I'm so excited about because I saw, I think Gretchen talk about it in her vlog, and a few of my other favorite YouTubers were talking about Carob, and I was like, wait, I want in. And then they contacted me, and now I'm so excited because it's something I actually really wanted to use, and it's a lifesaver. Basically, Carob delivers daily vitamin and supplement packs that are supposed to promote your health and wellness. So what I did is I went on the website and I took like a 5-minute quiz. It was just like, are you stressed? Do you have bad skin? Like, do you lose energy a lot? Like, just questions like that, and that's kind of how they're figuring out what vitamins would be great for you. And that's what I like about it. It's so customized because I'm always like, I feel like I need to be taking more vitamins and such, but I don't really know what. When it comes in the mail, it says made for Danielle, and basically once you take the quiz, they decide based off of lots of studies. Like, they work with like Harvard doctors and such like that. So for me, they gave me the chill pill, which is ashwagandha, and it supports memory and cognitive function. Fish oil, which is the heart helper, which is something my dad actually has been telling me that I should be taking, and that helps to maintain a healthy heart. B complex, which is actually something I already take, but I like how they come in one pack, which I haven't even talked about. The Coral King, which is astaxanthin, and that supports healthy skin. I hate having to walk around with all these different pill bottles and everything like that. Like, it's just so not cute. The reason I was so attracted to Carob is because they sent it to you in this little holder here, and you pull it out, and this is for 1 day, and it literally says, hi Danielle, what the heck. And on each of them it says today's fact. So this one says the Library of Congress is the largest library in the world. So there you go, you become more knowledgeable every day. Like, this one has like a question, like it just has something fun on every single one of them. I felt a difference in these products already, especially I think it's a lot to do with the B complex, because B complex makes you feel super good. I bet I have a healthy heart now, and I can't wait to just continue to take this, because then I'll just feel more and more good about myself, honestly. And they're just so cute. Like, just pop it in your purse. If you want to get your first month 25% off, which is like a really great deal, you can use my code Danielle Carolyn on takecareof.com and take the quiz and get started. But yeah, now I'm going to head over to Franklin House Cafe. I think Delaney's meeting me there, and we're gonna grind for a little bit and then take a break, and then I'll probably go to the student center tonight and grind more. It's really weird because it's a Saturday, and I usually don't do homework on Saturdays, but that's finals for you. Let's go. Where are we going? North Campus! Oh my god! So nice out, you guys! Woo! Just finished my ethics final. Let's submit it together, shall we? Alright, I think this is where I submit it. Yay! Yay! Only 2 more finals to go now. All right, so I'm pretty sure Delaney and Emmy are about to be downstairs to pick me up. We're gonna drive over to Kroger and pick up some food, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to sneak some sushi into the movie theater. Oh, I need a big bag. I need a big bag. And we're gonna bring our dinner into the movie theater, and we're going to see I Feel Pretty with Amy Schumer. I'm so excited for this movie. We're like rewarding ourselves because we finished what we wanted to get done today. So we're gonna go see a movie. It'll be a nice way to end the night. Yay! They don't have the sushi I want. I'm depressed. All right, we got the goods. She's checking out now. These are plush seats.
Do we really have to
Yes.
be our next spokesperson? Hey, Sal.
All right, we got chips, Muddy Buddies, watermelon, and a sandwich, and water, of course. On a date, kind of nervous. Guys, literally Delaney from the behind looks like a boy. Oh, wait, so what do we think of the movie?
It was so good.
It was so good. Guys, it had such an amazing message, like seriously. So yeah, good times. See you guys tomorrow. Everybody, and happy Sunday. You guys know I love Sundays. It's a day I post videos. It's a day of happiness. It's just a good day. It's almost 10:30 and I'm waiting for Delaney to pick me up because me, her, and Emmy last night we went to the movies, decided we want to go to Athens Church this morning. So we're gonna go do that. I truly love Athens Church. It reminds me a lot of Hillsong that I went to in California, and it's just super modern and fun, and it's good for the soul. I'm just wearing this top that's from Forever 21. I actually wore it during sorority recruitment. I think it was on the first day actually, so you guys should totally go watch that video, my like outfits of the week. Then I'm wearing these jeans from Madewell. You guys know I love these jeans. And then my shoes are from Steve Madden. I love a good flat form. But yeah, super casual, but like also still kind of fun. Happy Sunday. Today's service was amazing. They played like all my favorite songs, which was really exciting. Gets you really into it. Delaney's about to drop me and Emmy off downtown. We're gonna go to Starbucks, do a little shopping before we study. And yeah, it's just so pretty out. Like we want to do something outside, so. Yay. Guys, blast from the past. I used to have so many Tamagotchis.
Oh, I had this one in like a bigger
Oh my
version.
God.
I have like a little star right
So
there.
cute. So I just bought this white skirt from Cheeky Peach. It's from Free People, and I've wanted it for a long time, and I just feel like it's gonna be good for summer, and it wasn't as expensive as I thought. Look how cute this skirt is that I bought today. Currently packing up a ton of clothes to bring home for the summer, watching some random Netflix show. Just filmed a video, cleaning out my closet. The good thing is I get to keep a lot of my stuff here so that when I come back I have to move everything out, but I kind of want to condense everything. So yeah, I'm leaving a lot of my sweaters here. I'll probably still fold them up and put them in a box. So gosh, I have so much to do and study. Like later now, I just showered, took my makeup off, all that fun stuff, because the rest of the night is going to consist of studying. I'm headed now to go see my roommate in a play that she's in, which I'm really excited about, so we're all going to see that. But then after that, I'm literally going straight to Tate Student Center and just staying there all night and studying for my Plant Bio exam. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out Carob. I'll have them linked down below. They're amazing, and you can use my code Danielle Carolyn for 25% off your first month, so that's awesome. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.